Who doesn't love a chocolate donut? Well, if you do, you're crazy, but I love chocolate donuts. I wanted to teach you a baked chocolate donut. So a couple of steps here. We're going to start out with the dry ingredients. Right here I have flour. I'll add brown sugar, cocoa powder, some espresso powder, a little bit of salt, some baking powder, and baking soda. Once this mixture is well combined, which you need to use a whisk for, go ahead and add chocolate chips to it. Now to the wet mixture. So I have 2 eggs in the bowl. I'll combine some milk, some vinegar. Now this is vanilla paste, pretty incredible if you can find it, or vanilla extract works perfectly fine. Go ahead and mix that. Go ahead and add in the oil. Then you combine the wet with the dry. So go ahead and mix all that together. This is the baking pan that you would use to make donuts. And we find that the best way to add the donuts in there is with a piping bag. So we put this batter into a piping bag, and this makes your life a lot easier. So go ahead and add donut about half to 3/4 of the way up. They bake at about 350 degrees, and look how pretty they are. You dip them in a little ganache, like so, or you can use a little spreader. I don't know, I get so excited when I see chocolate that I kind of go for the quickest way to go about it, because I'm very excited to put it in my mouth. And there you have it, baked chocolate donuts, and I'll see you soon. Indulge in homemade baked chocolate donuts with my recipe online at checkpleasefl.com.